Welcome to the first webinar we are doing for the Maritime VR, and we know that there's lots and lots of webinars going out around. So there is some kind of webinar fatigue also which has come into everybody. That's the reason we have kept the webinar very short. The webinar would be conducted by Abhijit, who is heading the Maritime VR division in Vedam, where we are trying to bring in AR VR technologies for the maritime and offshore application. So he will have a 15-minute presentation, and then Rajneesh will present some of the feedback which we have received from the clients who are using. And then we will leave the floor for discussions and question answers. But the idea is, of course, in the 15 minutes, it's a very short time to show everything. Idea is just to tell you a glimpse. Question answers we can keep extending so that people who have other commitments, they can leave after the presentation. And of course, post presentation we can connect if somebody needs to discuss in detail. Okay. So Abhijit, over to you.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Akshay. Welcome everyone. So today we will, as Akshay sir said, today we are going to briefly discuss about how AR, augmented reality solutions, can be used to help people who are working on the shop floor or on the site or on the shipyards. So to understand this, let me just start off with my presentation. So let's just understand what is currently happening in our industry. So as you all might already know that we do all our design and engineering in 3D. So all the aspects related to design and engineering is done in 3D. We create really detailed 3D models. And finally, when it goes out to the people who actually work on the site, who actually carry out the installation and the fabrication work, they are provided with 2D drawings. They are provided with a huge set of 2D drawings about the various various pipe routings and the various aspects of the design, and they have to go through the whole pile of drawings to carry out their work. Now, what is the problem here? What happens with the site persons? What problem do they face with this? Now, the thing is, when they are working on the site, they are working under various pressures. They have to take quick decisions, and they have to take decisions if they need to modify or carry out certain aspect on the ground. And while they are working with these 2D diagrams, if they are unable to understand the complex arrangement drawings, or they have some sort of a doubt regarding the drawings or the routings, they do not have this quick and easy access to 3D models on the ground. Now, the aim of how augmented reality can help is what can be done here. So now they are unable to have instant access to, this will lead to some kind of errors. They are forced to, assume certain things. This leads to misinterpretations, can be misinterpretations of the drawing that can lead to some kinds of errors on the site. This leads to a loss of wastage of man, time, and money. So what if people on the ground can instantaneously visualize 3D models? What if when you're working on the site, you're able to look at those 3D models from various angles? What if you are able to scale up those 3D models to look at all the minute details of the the model in front of you? What if when you are on the site, you just want to instantaneously look at the 3D model of the 2D drawing in front of you? Yes, this is where how augmented reality solutions can help you. So I'll just play a video to show how this can be done. So in this video, you'll be able to see there are 2D printout drawings. This is an arrangement drawing, and using a augmented reality app on a mobile, the person is able to project the 3D model related to the 2D drawing on the mobile, and is able to go in detail, look at it from various angles, basically identify all aspects of the 2D drawing. So this it also has the ability to, you can scale it up, look, zoom into the model, and look at it from various angles as well. So a person who's working on site and he has this drawing in front of him, he can instantaneously have a quick visualization of the whole, system that he has to work on, and he gets a full, complete, picture about it. He can quickly take those decisions, and this is how such a solution can be used on the site. So in addition to this, what can be done? So in addition to this, once the model is on the screen, you can lock the 3D models on the screen. In the sense, it can be used as a standalone model viewer itself. So you can look at it free of the drawing. Also, you can view documents related to that particular, project or the system that you are having a view of. Apart from this, another point to be added is all CAD formats, no matter which particular software that you have done the designs on, any particular CAD format can be, used onto such an AR application, augmented reality application. Another aspect that is there is it can be made into a very highly secure system where you are able to create the users you want to give access to. You are able to create the, upload the content and specifically assign which content goes to whom, and you can control this level of access and privacy so that you can keep your content safe. So once you have such a app and with such a backend system, there are infinite number of benefits which one can realize. Of course, as I said, once you have instant access to 3D models on the site, you don't really have to depend on anyone. So if the person on the site is having a doubt, what people usually do is they call up their design office, someone will send them back snapshots of the 3D model, or they have to wait for someone to come back with a laptop with that CAD software. So there is this time delay involved. There is, and it becomes, considering the work pressures people face on the site, it becomes quite, troublesome. So this, as you know, gives the instant access, leads to avoiding errors and modifications on the ground. Quick decision making. Once you once you have instant access to information, it eases the review of on the site, thus ultimately leads to boost in productivity. And to do all this, so whatever features that you have seen through this small augmented reality application on a mobile, as part of our maritime VR platform, we have one such exact solution called 3D at Site. Now 3D at Site is an Android based augmented reality application which actually does what we have described previously in my previous slides. Now this is part of our maritime VR platform and we have been using it on some of our current and previous retrofit projects. And in view of this, I would retrofit projects, and just to give you a user feedback about how these have been used by our users, I would like to call upon Mr. Rajneesh to just add some words about the user feedback that we have got with our projects with regards to this.
Okay, thanks, Abhijit. And thanks for sharing the presentation. Actually, there's a big feedback which I have on the user, but I understand it's a short webinar which we have kept. So I will quickly only touch upon the various feedbacks which I have received from the teams and some of our clients who have been using this app. So before we start, just to introduce, my name is Rajneesh Verma, and I'm heading one of the divisions in Vedam, which is supervision and project management teams. So our supervisors are involved in all kind of installation projects, such as installation of scrubbers and BWTS, which are the flavor of the season, but also general conversions, retrofits, like installation of a FIFI system, generators, new cranes and stuff like that, which are more regular, a lot of regular stuff also. So our team of supervisors have been using this product for last 1 year, and we have collected actual feedback from them when they have been using this on board, as well as we have given this app to some of the ship owners, managers, some shipyard foremen as well, and the workers on ground, welders and fitters. So this app, so the feedback, general feedback I get from them is this app addresses many issues which are faced by the site team on a daily basis. So as Abhijit also pointed out, the main issue it solves is that it makes the 3D model available at the tip of your fingers. And as you know, the ship is not a very, many places of the ships are not very accessible, not not very friendly to go. A lot of stairs you have to climb, a lot of pipe bridges you have to crawl. So in one of the scrubber retrofit projects, the location of actual installation where the scrubber was fitted was very congested and constrained in terms of accessibility. So when the app was not available, it was very difficult to validate the design at site. Every time supervisor had a doubt, he had to come down to control room through a long long flight of stairs, and to access the drawings in hard copy kept over there, or maybe to access his laptop to look at the 3D model. But once he installed the app, he could carry all the drawings, including the 3D model, in his cell phone, and it became much more convenient for him to access the drawings, and actually safer, because he didn't have to climb those long set of stairs and staging in way of the retrofit. So using the app, you can see the exact way the pipe is routed, zoom in to see minute details, and use it to quickly discuss and instruct the workers on ground. So in one of the piping projects which we are doing, there are a lot of these pipings coming in bilge area, and the tie-ins to the existing pipe were not very clear in the two-dimensional drawing which is normally provided at the time of retrofit. This project was being done in a shipyard in China, and again there are some language issues also to explain it to the actual workers on ground. So, but using this app, our supervisor, he could explain the actual 3D layout to the foreman and the welder and fitter on the ground where the actual installation was being done. And it became very clear to the worker how it needs to be routed. And even though it was a very complex project, they could finish it very quickly. So this app also acts as a database of all relevant drawings for the project, which means all the technical information is available in your phone. You don't need to carry out hard copy of drawings, stuffing in your pocket, or maybe carry, sometimes they had to carry laptop also at site. So it makes life of the supervisor or the foreman very, very easy. So to sum it up, during the course of our usage, we received many suggestions also to improve the app, and many of those real usage suggestions have been incorporated in the latest version. So overall, the team has been very happy with this app, and actually as an end user, we recommend it for all the supervisors and the workers who are actually working in very constrained environments on board a ship. So this is the sum total of the feedback which we have received after using this app. So over to you, Abhijit. That's the feedback from my side.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir, for sharing this feedback that we have got from the various users of the app. So as I had said, this is part of our Maritime VR platform, and I would just like to, adding to the features of the application, just like to briefly give you guys a glimpse of what the web dashboard is. The web dashboard allows people to create upload content, in the sense you can upload the 3D models and you can create the users, and you can manage the whole aspect of who uses the app and what content access who has through this web application. This is some of the mobile dashboard features that are there. Basically, you know how many drawings have been assigned to you. You can actually see the list of drawings in the application. You can directly scroll through and open the relevant drawings which you need. As Rajni sir said, this acts as a depository of data for that particular project. So through the app, you can directly access various documentations which are related to the project, and then just also manage your own profile. In case you need some more drawings, you can put in a request and communicate with your admin. So this is a short glimpse of the web application and the web dashboard and the mobile dashboard, along with the video you saw how the mobile application works. As I said, Maritime 3DHSat is part of a Maritime VR platform. Maritime VR platform is a collection of augmented reality and virtual reality tools, specifically which we are trying to introduce in the maritime industry. So we have discussed so far about 3DHSat Android application. As part of the platform, we also have a remote assistance and inspection tool solution which is a mixed reality solution. We also have a collaborative VR platform which allows for immersive trainings, design reviews with geographically dispersed teams in an immersive environment. And also we have another solution which addresses ship familiarization training through a realistic, photorealistic view of the actual real asset. And you can use this 3D viewing tool to train new joining crew or to train on various safety aspects. So these are certain solutions that we have under the Maritime VR platform. So we would be happy to take any questions that you have, and we would gladly answer those. So maybe if you could, if you have any questions, you can post it in the chat section. Yes, thank you.